I wanted to understand more, and I got the privilege of getting an offer to work here. You always hear about the big bad chemical companies on TV, so I was very intimidated. When I first started, I found out that ERCO is nothing like that. They take pride in their culture, they take pride in safety, and they take pride in taking care of their people. When it comes to safety, ERCO goes above and beyond what even they're supposed to be doing, just to make sure that we're all safe and the community is safe. ERCO goes above and beyond by double filtering any fumes that go through the system that could affect the environment. I think it's awesome to know that we take pride in when the water comes in, it's even cleaner when it comes out. And down the line, that's going to help my kids and the kids after that, and not pollute all the water. As soon as I came in here, the crew, they are always willing to help. Yeah, the senior guys are always willing to help. They're always willing to come out and show you like, hey, this is how it works, and this is what you need to do. And I always felt the support around everybody. I feel like everybody communicates very well. People are on board, try new things, and to help make this a better place to work. Whether you like working with your hands or learning about pumps or working with trains, ERCO's a great place to work for that.